Hey guys, this is an app from thetrainline.com. It's demoed on the Nokia N8 and you can download it for free at the OV store. You can use this application to check train times and also buy train tickets. So let's find a train. Very useful feature. These are the routes that I previously searched. You can search for a new station. Now, when you find a station, you can do it by scrolling through the list of stations here, like so. And then you've got this bar, faster scrolling. The easiest way is to use the keyboard. As you can see, you've got a new portrait keyboard. You will notice the predictive search. As you type in a few letters, it will suggest some station names for you. So I'll just click on Manchester Piccadilly. Destination, I'll click on one of the previously used destinations. From here, by sliding across, you can change things like your journey from single or return, class to first or standard, whether you're an adult or a child, and the types of rail cards that you might have. As you can see, these include things like the Network Rail card, New Deal Rail card, Annual Gold, Disabled, HM Forces, Senior, 1625, and if you have no rail card. Now set a date for your departure. You can leave it as today, or by clicking here, you can bring up this calendar and choose another date in advance. But again, by sliding, you can switch to arrive by a certain time or depart after a certain time. And then to enter this time, you click in this box and numerical keypad would appear. If you're getting a return, you can just leave it to get a price for an open return, or if you know the date that you're returning, click known date, and then again set a particular date on the calendar. If you're returning the same day, click on the same day, and then again just set the times as previously shown. Once you're done, just click Get Prices. You'll need to have an internet connection for this. Don't worry though, it's very light on data, which is good because that means it's very fast and very good if you have a slow connection or poor signal like I have. Now it's really useful as we've got an option of a standard return ticket or a cheaper combination of two singles. If you click on either ticket, you'll get a list of all the available routes, including the departure times and arrival times, as well as the prices. If we check out the standard return ticket, you'll see they're pretty much the same routes, just the prices might be slightly more expensive. Clicking on a route will give you more information about the departure time and arrival time, as well as the train service and duration. Check out some of these crazy train prices. From £50 of the cheaper two singles, you can go all the way up to £400. Now you can then select your ticket. You can proceed directly to purchase, or you can view the trains that your ticket is valid on. Now you can proceed to purchase. It'll give you a review of your journey as well as telling you this is the pickup ticket, which means you'll need to print it off at the station or collect it at the station. Now just click continue. You can pay for it with debit or a credit card, and apparently after you've put in your details you'll only have to do this once. I don't need to buy a ticket right now, so I can't demo this for you. You can see me clicking the back button here, but I forgot to show that you can also swipe back. These are the previously searched journeys. It's particularly useful as they remember all the details you previously set, so it's kind of useful if you just want to check train times. Unlike the web version, the only time you'll be connecting to the internet is when you click Get Prices. And since it's very light on data, it doesn't really matter if you've got a strong 3G signal or a very poor signal like I have. Note that in this journey list that some routes have a number next to them. This just indicates the number of train stops that you'll have to make, which here is noted at Manchester Piccadilly. I'm guessing that if you did buy a ticket using this app, you can just click the ticket option and it would show you train times, but I haven't tested out that feature. Now here you can see that it all works out in landscape mode also, and you've got a landscape QWERTY keyboard, and I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. That was the Trainline app on the Nokia N8.